Now, if you have trouble keeping track of the tiny white cable that gives your iPhone access to that sweet headphone jack, this quick dye fix makes sure your favorite pair of wired headphones are never too far from your Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. Gather the necessary materials: 1 Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, 1 headphones with 3.5mm jack, 1 rubber band. Lay the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter in the middle of the hair tie so that its loops stick out on either side of the adapter's cable. Pass one of the loops over the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter and tuck it through the other loop, forming a knot over the adapter's cable. Pull it taut. Lay the end of your headphone cable, the part with the 3.5mm jack, in the middle of the hair tie so that the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter is on one side and the hair tie's loop is on the other. Note: make sure the headphone jack adapter is facing toward the headphone jack on your headphones. The Lightning connector should face away from the headphone jack on your headphones. Pass the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter over the headphone cable and tuck it into the loop of the hair tie, forming a knot over the cable. Pull it taut. Plug the headphone jack into the headphone jack adapter. Plug the Lightning connector into your iPhone. If you have a different solution, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.